reason.
What?
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! What is happening with me? Mimi! Oh. My phone screen. Act like nothing happened, okay, Mimi?
Okay.
My gosh. Should I go out there, Mimi?
Let's go. Go out.
Wait, no. No.
You know what? You know what? Wait.
Stay inside. Stay. Let me see if it's okay for you. Oh my God.
I can't leave you alone.
It's the life. Oh my.
You know what?
God.
You and me, I go
It's a
get him.
chicken.
This.
No. Shush. No. Close the door of the house.
I close.
No.
Okay. You and me. Let's go
Hello,
to.
puppy.
Take.
Puppy,
Oh
look
my.
at it.
Oh my.
It's following me. Look at it. Oh, it's a baby dog. Yep.
Oh my God!
Look.
It's everywhere.
Mimi, look. It's following. Mom. Mimi. Oh! It bit me. The animal bite me. Ow. Ouch.
Are you okay? No, move. No.
Ow!
Don't go. It's coming. Oh my God.
Oh, I closed the door. Oh my gosh. Is there bait?
It's everywhere. Oh.
It's so cool though, Mimi. There's the animal. Oh my gosh. I don't care.
Where are you?
In the house.
Come out.
Okay, wait. I'm getting our supplies. We have to get rid of these animals. I know what. Okay. I've gone out. Where's that animal who tried to bite me? It was following me. It was so cute. And now... Oh! Mimi. I'm here. I brought... What?
Just look at you.
I'm in the bubble, okay. I brought all the stuff we need for the apocalypse. Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh, look at... Oh, look at it!
Hi,
Look
honey.
at the sheep.
Hi, honey.
Look at it!
No, leave my friends alone. No.
Oh, they're following me. They're following me.
No, stop. I tried to...
Ah! Oh. Please don't... No! It's attacking me.
No, move. Okay. No. Don't follow my friends.
My friend.
Stop. Just stop.
Maybe they're gonna attack you.
Stop.
It's for no reason. Wait.
Stop.
For this I cook up. Bye. Ha. Go away.
My friends, there's many here. What is this?
It's a cat.
Oh, yeah. Hello.
Hoo-yah. Ha.
What's
Take this, animal. Huh. I killed the dog. It was a good idea, though. It's a good idea that... Just run. Ah! Mimi, no! Mimi!
What?
Move! Everybody move! No! Bad! They killed you. What did you do to Mimi?
It's okay.
What did you do?
It's okay.
I don't care. What did you do to Mimi?
Baby, I am okay, don't worry.
Where's the cat following me?
What?
The cat's following me. Move! Oh, look at you! Ow! The cat is attacking me! Okay. Oh my gosh, Mimi.
Yeah.
The cat is attacking me. And the and the hot dog. Mimi.
Yeah.
It's this honey cake. No. Now I'm ready. Oh, what happened? Hiya!
Nice.
Die.
What is a
Bye.
frog? Is frog or no?
Ow, you're hitting me.
I just looking to find the frog.
Oh, it's not a frog. It's a hot dog. It's a dog that is a hot dog. Die, haha. I died. I did it! I drink this Diet Coke and it's pretty good. Oh. Guys, do you want to go and see what the animals are doing? I remember that I saw a sheep. Hello. That's the dog that attacked me. Is it okay? Are you okay? Do you not want to attack me? Oh, no, we're good. Everything escaped from the zoo.
Oh my. Anyways,
Oh! Ah! It's a cat! It's a cat! It's attacking me! The cat! The cat! Oh! Ah!
You have right. The bird. Oh my God! You look. Oh my God! Why?
Oh! The cat! It's the cat! It's so fast!
Why?
Nah.
What? Oh my gosh! Run! Oh.
Birdie, attack me, not Mimi.
Where's the bird?
I'm attacking the bird.
Oh, what is this?
Do not attack any animals, okay?
Okay. So
why did I stop? Why did Mimi?
yeah.
Oh my God. Hello.
Okay.
Oh, they're mating. Ew. What's this? Hello, sugar. Oh, it's a wolf. Ah! Stop mating, guys. Stop mating.
Hi, wolf.
Oh, no. Ah!
Are you okay?
No, they're all attacking me. They're gonna all attack me. I'm on a mission. Every single dog attack me, please.
Hello.
Ah! Maybe they're all attacking me.
Come with me. I think something.
Mimi!
Yeah.
They're attacking me. I can't come to you.
Come here. Come. Ah, you know what? I take this. So. Let's go, my friends.
Okay, where are you? Oh, you're in that tree.
Come to save
Mimi,
you.
no, stop.
Where are you?
Coming inside.
Come.
Thank you.
Let's go. Run. Wait. No. Why? Okay. Are you okay?
The dogs are still following me.
Are you okay?
Oh, they almost attacked me, Mimi. They broke a glass.
I don't know where I'm going. Believe me, I don't know how.
Oh, the animals.
Oh.
You're attacking me, but I'm in the car. Ah!
What?
Something broke. Oh my God.
What is bro? What?
Oh, the animals are chewing the stuff and then they're breaking it.
Oh no!
Ah! I see on the back sheet. Mimi, drive. They have no. Oh.
No.
I'm gonna go and find some, okay?
No petrol.
I don't think that was a good idea.
Oh.
I'm gonna die.
No. Where I find the petrol? Tell me.
I'm gonna bring the patrol.
Where's Benzina? No.
Mimi, no, get back in the car. I have the petrol.
You have?
Yes. Oh my gosh. No, we can't drive it because the animals broke the thing.
No, it's okay.
No, we can't drive it.
No.
Mimi, no. Come, follow me.
Try, okay?
You try. Why did you try? To try hard enough isn't a good thing.
I think
Oh!
it's working.
It broke it! You broke it!
Oh, no. Who is working?
You broke it! Mimi, come. I found that nice house.
Oh, this is broken my car. No.
They chewed it. Mimi, come. Just come. Just follow me. Forget about the car.
Where are you? Where are you?
I'm here. Mimi, I found it. Let's pick it up.
Where are
Mimi,
you?
I'm here. What do you think I am?
Oh, okay.
Mimi, follow me. Ah, follow me. I found petrol. I have another car. Move. Go inside. ¿Cómo estás? Okay, run! Oh my gosh, Mimi.
No.
I have some petrol in my hand, but I hope those animals don't come. But I think that was a bad idea that the animals, right?
Yeah. Let's go. Where are you
But
going?
yeah, but you
Where are you
want
going?
this nowhere. Where do you want to go?
I don't know. Oof. Hard day, yeah?
What do you mean?
With these animals trying to kill us. Oh my god, it's upset. It's very angry, no?
What do you?
Where are you going?
You know what?
What?
I'm getting the animals back here. Mimi, say. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum. Gorgeous, delicious, I'm gonna bring all the animals here. Oh, God. It's coming for my life. Move! Choo-choo! Get over here. A bluebird, bluebird. Oh! It's a bad bluebird.
What?
Bad.
Where are you?
Oh, mating? I'm coming back to the car. Get in, Mimi. Do not drive. Get inside the car. Get inside the
Where
car.
are you? I'm afraid.
Get in.
I am afraid. Come.
You stupid.
Oh.
Oh my God. Mimi, you didn't know how to get in the car?
Hmm?
You animals.
Where are you going?
I'm gonna put some more petrol in it. It's full, but do not. You who animals are you searching for me?
Let's go. Let's go.
Mimi,
Yeah.
you drive. I'm gonna bring the animals here.
Okay. Come on.
Die, animals! Ha! No!
How
Do
I
not!
die?
No! Stop! Do not move the car.
Okay. Stop. Just stop.
Karate chop
Come on.
every animal I see.
Where are you?
I'm coming.
What is the gas this?
Stop! No! Do not push it. It makes it.
They're coming.
Do not push me. Thank you.
Let's go.
Thank you, Mimi.
Run. Is the gas this? So,
What?
I'm driving. Mm-hmm. Are you okay?
I'm kind of hungry.
Oh, it's okay. I saved you. Where are you?
I'm at the back of the car. I see you. Oh no, God! We have to go back. Girl, go back.
Wait.
Alice.
You come back. I think I drive okay, huh?
You left without me.
Hey. What?
I'm back.
Okay.
So, thank you guys so much for watching this awesome movie. Bye.